So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to deposit money in capital.com. So the first thing you want to do is to open up capital.com. So you can see on there trade, discover, charts, portfolio, reports, invite friends, calendar, all alerts, and your settings. You can also check out some other stuff on there to make it available for yourself. So you can do it a couple of different ways. So if you click on settings, if you want to deposit money, especially for your live accounts, you will need to complete your registration as it pops up right here. So once you create your account, you'll be prompted to add some information about yourself. And after that, it's going to be added to your capital.com as a registered account. Or alternatively, you can go to your other accounts and just use it to top up your funds, to use it as a practice or as a way to practice for your live account. So on there, if you click on demo accounts, you can see available cash and you can see top up 10,000 trading options and so on. So if you click on live accounts and you've already been to my accounts section, you'll see the option to deposit. Afterwards, you will see the option to choose a deposit method, which is going to transfer some of the money that you have from your bank, your other apps that you may be using, or different payment methods to add to your account. And by depositing your first money, or rather your first cut to capital.com, you'll start trading after that. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on capital.com or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.